gift box in my hand, a customer asked me to print the image on its bottom. Totally 30mm depression. Whether it can be printed or not, let's go and see. This is Nocai 60 by 90cm A1 size UV flatbed printer with 3 Xaar print heads. It can print the uneven product with 30mm depression. The adjustable print height for the printer is 14 cm, suitable for various products of different industries, like toy products, gift and gift packaging boxes, so on. Printer can print white color and varnish at the same time to realize 3D relief, varnish printing, and improving the printing effect of the product. With anti-static device system, hair automatic capping system, print head anti-collision device system, it is a very powerful and easy to operate printer. The most important point is that this printer even prints uneven products. The resolution is very high. Even the edge of the image is very clear. What do you think about this printer? Welcome to leave us a message for more detail.